Hi, so I wrote a little web app. It's not very polished, but it's stable enough to be useful to some people, so I thought I'd share it. Um, it's basically, if you know what mail merge is, it's kind of like mail merge for dummies. It's a way of tweaking bits of text and personalizing a message for to be sent to a bunch of different people. So instead of explaining it, let me just show you some examples. Um, so what I have here is this is just a little spreadsheet I made in Google Sheets. If you have a Google account, you can make these yourself. Just head to Google Docs or Google Sheets and you can figure out how to do that. So what I did was, actually I want this other one. Um, this is the data we're going to use. So in this example, this is like a host coaching example with Pampered Chef. So let's say each row represents an upcoming party. And here's all of our relevant info, the date, the time, the ordering link. So once I have this all typed up, what I do is I'm going to go up to File and Download, and then there's an option here for comma separated values, the CSV format. What I'm going to do is hit that and then save it to my computer or my phone or where. What I'm going to do is head over to the web app. It looks like this. If you want to know how to get there, you just go to this URL, rmbot.com/text. And once we have that, we can upload the CSV. So I'm going to upload that now. Hit submit. And then that will take you to this screen. And notice that there's these 4 buttons up here. These correspond to the 4 column headers from the spreadsheet. So what we're going to do now is type up a little host coaching message that's going to go out to everybody, but we're going to make it very generic. So we're going to say like, hi, and then we're going to go up here and click this button for this first name token. And then that'll paste it into the text. Hi, first name. I'm so excited for our party on, and then I'm gonna type in the date here at, hit the time token. We'll do an exclamation point, and then I'll say your ordering link is, and then we'll put that on the next line and hit URL for the ordering link. So now, once I have my message all typed up, it's very generic, but you can see where it's going to insert everyone's each name in that spreadsheet. And then we're going to hit submit. And let's ignore this top part for now and focus on this bottom part for this example. So basically we have all of our messages for each row in that spreadsheet. We now have our messages tweaked for everybody. So we wrote a generic message once, uploaded a spreadsheet, and here we have it all pasted in. So now what we can do is pretend this window over here is like Facebook Messenger. I can just hit copy text and then hit Control V and paste it in there. And now I just sent Mitsu a message. That's a weird name. And now I'm gonna send Leota a message. That's another weird name. I just pulled this these example names from a website, so they're a little weird. But so there you have it. So now if I wanted to do my host coaching messages, I can just type it once and then I have them all. I can just copy them in for everyone. Easy peasy. So now for our second example, what we're going to do is go to this other spreadsheet. And so this is going to be an example for sending like thank you texts after people have ordered. So what I have here is the name of the person ordering, and then the name of the host that they ordered from, and then their cell number. And I'm going to put that in this first column for a reason. You'll see why that makes sense. So let's head back to our text tweaker. I'll go to home here. And now I'm going to upload the spreadsheet for texting. So let's write a new message here. Thank you, first name, for ordering on host first name. Pampered Chef Party. Your items should be in soon. And then blah blah blah. Like if anything's broken, let me know. So now I'm just going to do that. I'm not going to put in the cell phone, but you'll see why I'm doing that when I hit submit here. Let's focus on this top part. In this box, it just pastes everything in all in one big block of text with these separators here between rows. And so what I'm going to do is actually copy that, and then I'm going to email it to myself. We'll call it thank you. So I'm just pasting that in. I'm going to hit send. And now we'll switch over to my iPhone, and you can see what we do on that end to send out all of these thank you texts super quick. Before I do that, however, let me just mention that there are a lot of places that you can get contact info in CSV format. For example, if you go into Consultant's Corner and go into your contacts, you can actually export any of those contacts in there, or any number of them. You can export all of them, or just a certain group of them that you've made as an CSV file. And once you do that, of course, you can upload it right into my app, right into the text tweaker. So let's head into my email, and it looks like the email came in. So I'm going to click that. Now, for each of these, what I'm going to do is select. Oops. What I'm going to do is select the message. I'm trying to do this with a mouse, but this will be much easier with your finger. Select the message, copy it, and then what we're going to do is hold down our finger on the phone number, and then this little context menu will pop up. And then what we're going to do is send message. And then we just paste in our message, and boom, we can whip through our thank you texts really quickly. Check out the description of this video for the URL on how to get to the web app. You can go to it on your computer or on your phone. I did it on my computer, but it works just as well from a phone. Let me know if you come across any bugs. And if you want updates about new features I'm added, you could just subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks.